Hi there, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wall hanging using wool and various other materials and a tree branch. Let's go. Okay, so I've got a 2 metre length of wool and I've just laid it out on the carpet, and now I'm going to cut 4 more to make 5 so that I've got when I fold it over that I've got 10 pieces. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I've grabbed my wool and I've measured all the way around this stool, the circumference, and I'm going to tie a knot. Right, so I've got my 5 long lengths of wool. I'm going to fold them in half, like so, and I've got my hoopy bit there at the top. Got my long length around this stool, and I'm going to overlap the hoop over the top of the wool and pull through the middle the wool, so all the lengths through the middle, like so, and we're back again. So you start twisting the wool tightly over the top and under, and I'm just catching it with the same hand. So I'm taking my bulldog clip off. I'm going to add a different colour. I'm actually going to tie this next colour onto that darker colour over. So I'm just pulling the rest of the wrap and I'm just pulling tightly the wool colour until I get quite a severe load of colour there. And this is just a nice way to begin as we just get into other materials to explore. Okay, so I've decided that I'm going to add some fabric, and I've got some fabric cut into a strip, nice long strip, the same length as my wrap. And I'm going to take this little bulldog clip out, which was holding everything else in place. And I'm just going to, once again, I think I'll probably just make a little knot again with the fabric, my fabric around. Now what will happen is it will start to get quite bulky. That's not a problem at all. That can add to the overall aesthetic appearance. So next I might think, do you know what, I'd quite like to overlap that fabric with, I've got a pipe cleaner here, the pipe cleaners over the top of the wrap, like so, just so that I get a little bit of the fabric showing through underneath. So we're not covering it, it's just giving it another dimension over the top. And then this time I can just let that pipe cleaner fall down with the rest of the threads, bulldog it back together with my clip, and then I'm going to choose another. So I've got some buttons here and I've threaded them through some wire, very similar to what I was doing with the other wraps in the other project. Just going to wrap those around. I always collect the buttons and the ribbons that come off clothes, so you can see, like so. Create the wool out, say into 2, so create a split, clip it, hold it on, and then on the other side, twisty, 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 like so, and then grab, having a look at what else I can add. Okay, so there's my wrap finished. Just to take you down from top to the bottom. Obviously I've used loads of different materials. Most of it's been wrapped, handmade, and then obviously I've used a glue gun towards the end to stick on some of these little gems. I've used some wire to thread on buttons, and I've done some twists down the bottom in plaits, and then I absolutely love this bottom tassely bit. I've threaded on some beads with larger sequins. I've got some little bits of fabric and netting in there. I've got some beads that I had left over from Christmas beads for the tree, and this is washing line, and that's from an old necklace. and I've mixed it up with some burgundy purpley threads. I hope you enjoyed this video today and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!